Hello, my name is Pavlos and today I'm going to show you how to register in Satoexchange. So first of all, you need to go to Satoexchange.com, then hit register. After that you need to fill in this form: email, username, password, and then account PIN. So account PIN is essentially a extra layer of security because you're dealing with money, so you need a better security than just password. So let's fill in this form. So yeah, now you need to go to your email. As you can see, I got this mail. Activate account. So now we successfully activated our account. Let's log in. As you can see, I need to type in my PIN. As you can see right now, there's not so much going on because this website is in early stage. So yeah, my name is Paul and see you soon.